Phnom Penh is the capital of Cambodia. It is also the largest and an ancient cultural city of Cambodia. It combines the beautiful scenery of the mountain and river, the splendid architecture, and the rich natural colors. The solemn and eye-catching independent monument located in the central of the city is witnessing its growth. Tul Kork, in recent years, is seeking a huge rise in establishments, such as residential estates, commercial and retail shops. An increasingly eclectic mix of local families and expatriates from all over the world are attracted by its offer of affordability, convenience, and security. Cambodia's most dynamic and diversified business conglomerate, Royal Group of Companies, and Hong Lai Huat Group Limited, a well-established and reputable real estate and property developer in Singapore, come together to present you the landmark in the most prominent housing district of Phnom Penh, Cambodia.
I think this design actually consists of three main points. One of it is how we blend the traditional architecture that we have in Cambodia and put them into a modern, international standard kind of design. Then the other one point, which is very important, is we designed this as two V-shape, forming like an X. And that gives every resident 360-degree unsurpassed view right out to the city. The third point is about social ecology. Social ecology, whereby we blend all the facilities into this development. There are actually two sky terraces in the building, and we have a very big podium with a huge clubhouse, sporting facilities, and also on the ground level, there will be retailing, food and beverage, and recreational entertainment facilities, making this whole development like a lifestyle hub.
柬埔寨现在整个国家在开放、在招商，对于这个中国的一带一路，给予这个柬埔寨未来的10-20年的一个发展是一个很大的商机，是因为目前的铁路已经通到泰国了，金边到为西哈努克港的国际港了，所以接下来这对于这个国家的一个经济的发展将会帮助很大。柬埔寨它这个国家的国民很年轻。 那大概都是在20多到30多岁里面的年轻人比较多，因为他这个国家目前的工资也是比较合理，所以现在这2年一直陆陆续续的改进的发展，可以吸引到很多外来的投资者。年轻人多，对于这些公寓式的这种住宅呢，很容易可以吸引他们。这些专业人士啦、投资者都是比较喜欢住在这种公寓式。 有一站式的，有运动设施、保安，包括吃也方便，所以对于这种新的公寓，接下来的未来的这10年，这个国家还是需要的一个需求还是蛮大。
It has never been a bad time to invest in the kingdom. In a growing country like Cambodia, many businesses are focusing on expansion. Many professionals from abroad are joining the companies here. And many investors are looking to purchase a housing in this country where there is no restriction on foreign purchase, especially for a location in the capital Phnom Penh like Tul Kork. A strategic location is bustling with many facilities, a lively atmosphere, prosperous business environment, and a gathering place for international brands, educations, cuisines. So international brands are stepping in one by one, bringing up the standard of living for the kingdom. This is the golden time and the opportunity.
The international professional property management model is used to enjoy personalized service and escort for quality life. Through the star-level intelligent system, we will create a smart community that is safe, convenient, and comfortable, and wholeheartedly create a high-quality home for you. Royal Platinum. Elegant lifestyle at your doorstep.